Welcome. If you want to manage app permissions in your Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to go for the apps, it's right here. Tap on the permission 2 times. And for example, we can change location info. So go here. We get here 3 positions, apps that are allowed all the time, only where we are using them, and 9. So when you want to grant permission for location for this app, you have to click on it and then select option. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.